my god, bro.
What's up, guys? You're watching another video. My arm is still so stiff, bro. I cannot move it. If you guys have not watched the tattoo video, go watch it. It was pretty sick. But anyways, today is a new day and I look ugly, bro. Look at my pimple, guys. Bro, it's actually really red right now. I'm gonna face this way the whole vlog because this side looks bad. This is the most painful pimple I ever had. Loki hurts more than my freaking tattoo. Happy New Year too. I think this is coming out like January already, so Happy New Year. We're about to start a new year. New year, new me. What are some goals for this year? You go. Oh, hell no. For real, I'm being serious. What's some new goals? Go. One goal. One goal, bro.
I want to hit 8 digits.
8 digits? All right, buddy. I'm gonna come back to you right now. Rethink your answer, buddy. I'm just kidding. I'll give you one more try, but all right, what do you want? We're talking about 2023, not 2025, buddy. I'm just kidding. I'm not. You never know, bro. David could invent some crazy ass. What? No? David's gonna become rich and just not help me because I just roasted him.
We gotta start taking care of our health.
For sure, 100%. We gotta go to the gym.
Go to the gym.
Eat better.
Eat better. Everything, bro.
all David eats is in and out.
Health and in general.
You're saying all this for no reason because you're not gonna run
The fuck
Yes,
up,
we
baby.
are.
shit about it next year.
I feel like we're saying the same shit that we said last year and it did not happen.
This year we're gonna actually do some stuff.
Alright. Start posting a lot more on YouTube, which hopefully get a 10K.
Yes, sir.
2023, bro.
Well, you could easily hit like 50K.
Yeah, everything else comes into play, you know.
So that's your
New
goal next year.
Oh, I want an F80, bro.
And an F80. So 25K subscribers
What?
and an F80.
Without, if I don't have to sell that U92.
So you have both? That'll be
So I
tight.
can have both.
So go
Yes.
subscribe to Hugo, guys.
No.
Go get him the 25K already.
No.
Back to David.
No, back to you.
Get rid of this pimple. For one.
All right, get on my side right here. What's your
Ah!
goal, brother? Shut up. Barely touched you. Come on.
I don't know what my goals are. For sure get another car too.
Maybe
Some
a
kind of
pizza?
BMW again.
Pizza?
Who knows? Bro, because the year is long. David's dreams are. For sure get another car and of course post more on YouTube too. Hit like another 100K.
Maybe another
200K. For sure 200K. I think I can do it.
To work hard as hell.
Work hard
this
and
year.
then also like like he said, get healthy too. Get buff like Hugo was.
Yeah, you guys are gonna stop for first month.
I'm gonna try, bro. I need to get buff, guys. Oh my, we can't take David serious, bro.
You wanna be healthier? I'm pretty healthy. I'm not alive. You should have more money.
More money? Everyone needs more money, huh?
Everyone says money don't buy happiness. That's bullshit, bro.
Anyways, comment down below what are your guys' goals for this year. But today, we're gonna have a really cool video to film today. I'm super excited. I'm actually a little nervous because I'm a shy person, bro. But we're about to meet some of you guys today. 3, 4, 5, 6 packages that I'm gonna hand deliver to you guys. I promised you guys when I did the merch drop that I was gonna hand deliver some packages to you guys to your front door in my GTR. It's probably not the best time to do this video because it is raining out and I'm on Mickey Thompson tires, so I'm risking it, guys. I'm gonna drive super slow because these tires and the rain do not mix well. The last thing I need is for my GTR to do a 360 on the freeway and hydroplane and hit a wall or hit another car. Hopefully that does not happen. Hopefully this vlog goes smoothly. Oh my god. But I am super excited, guys. I think it's gonna be a really cool experience. And if this goes well, I'll probably do this for every single merch job because I think it's really sick. And it's gonna be sick to see you guys' reactions too. So who knows? Maybe you guys are watching this video right now. I'm actually going to your door, bro. It's gonna be crazy. I'm sick though. Hope I don't get none of you guys sick. You guys fit? We're all squeezing in the GTR for this video, guys.
Guys, you guys better be home. It'll be your lucky day.
Guys, this person that we're taking it to was 4 minutes away. That's close, bro. Like my neighbor.
Punch it.
No, Nick, you're tripping, bro. Oh my god. Nick.
This shit can really drip. I'm gonna try with this one.
Look how wet it is, bro. Nick, you're really tripping, bro. Oh my god, this shit's just sliding, bro.
I'm so scared to keep it.
Keep it going up.
Go straight.
Yeah.
This is how it feels to be a mailman. Did I find the address? Now I'm scared. Now it's hitting me. Should I just rev it and see if they come out? Bro, I feel like, guys, I feel kind of weird showing it to people's houses. I'm scared. What do I say? They be like, why you at my front door? I'm so scared, bro.
I'm going with you. What the fuck?
I'm up in the GTR. I'm scared, guys.
I'm nervous. Why am I?
Why did we do this?
Why am I nervous? What are you doing?
What do I say, bro?
There it is.
Hi. Is Jessica home? Yeah, she is. Oh my god, I'm
He
scared.
knows. He knows you.
Think he knows?
Yeah. Bro, the GTR does look crazy.
Yeah.
Did you order
Oh my
merch?
God.
I said in my video I was gonna hand deliver some merch.
I know. Oh my god.
You got
don't know
picked.
the worst thing that happened to me yesterday.
Oh my god, what happened?
Dude, on Saturday.
They hit you?
Here.
I got your
Oh
package.
my god, thank you. Dude,
You're
I feel
welcome.
bad for you telling me that one.
Oh, you emailed me? Did you? I think I probably seen it maybe. Was that you yelling at me?
But
Okay.
I wanted it.
I know, it's okay.
I wanted to wear it already.
Hopefully this makes up for it. You like the car?
I've seen it before, yes.
You
on
seen
the
it?
street, Yeah.
I know, you were so close. You were like 4 minutes away.
I was like, how do I hear it like talking that loud? Because nobody ever comes.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Nice
so
meeting you.
much. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Thank
Sorry
you.
for catching you off guard.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
You too.
I was nervous. I was nervous, Hugo.
That was nerve-wracking?
Nerve-wracking. Dude, her car got hit. That sucks.
That sucks.
Well, next house.
On to the next.
Okay, next house. Where are we going? Oh, should we just hand deliver every order? Every single one?
No, you're
All
crazy.
100? Oh, is he really? Okay. Made it to the next spot, guys. Oh shit, is that on fire?
Next
What's on
spot.
fire, bro? I swear to God. Bro, the house is legit on fire. Am I tripping?
Are they probably burning something?
Nah, bro, that house is on fire. Bro, did you order something? I said I was gonna hand deliver some of them, and you got picked out.
Yeah, that's crazy. What the fuck?
What's up, bro? Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Taylor.
You watch my videos?
Yeah, dude, hella. Dude,
That's sick. Was it unexpected or
crazy.
what?
What the fuck? I was like expecting it yesterday, the day before. I was like, oh man, when?
How do you find like where is it at?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, you too.
I really wanted to just bring it and hand deliver some orders. That'd be cool. Well, thanks for watching my videos, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Oh,
Nice meeting you.
yeah,
Thank you, bro. Hopefully you like the merch.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That was cool. Everyone's so nervous, bro. I'm nervous too. Later, bro. Nice meeting you.
That one good.
You think he was happy?
Yes, he was nervous, I think.
He was shocked. Like, wait, what the? People are probably getting out of bed. Like, what the fuck? This is a GTR.
Oh,
Went
catch
to
me
buy. Who's getting out of bed right now?
This side, look. Where we at, brother? Oh my god.
Sounds good, huh?
Yeah. Really good, brother.
We're almost here. I think we are here. We're successful, bro. We're gonna stop at the third location, third address.
See, we're 3 for 3.
See, we're 3 for 3. This is actually fun, bro. And people are getting so super happy. Anthony, where you at?
Pulling up on Anthony real quick.
It was cool to see people like that happy. They're shocked. Like every single person's
Yeah,
been
they
shocked.
trip out like, what the fuck? GTR looks crazy though.
Hi. Does Anthony live here?
Yeah.
Is he home?
No.
No? No! I have a package for him.
Okay.
Here you go. You can tell him I left it.
No way.
We're
Anthony.
now. Anthony's gonna be sad when he sees this video.
Yes.
Oh, your sister got it, I think. That sucks. I feel bad now.
Ah.
He's gonna be so sad when he
Yes.
sees this video, bro. Leave your house, bro. But you weren't home. That's messed up.
Damn, that was gonna be 3 for 3 too. We jinxed it, bro.
Oh, I tried.
Yes.
But you got your package, you got your merch. Anyways, spot number 4 now. See if we can get another one. Guys, we're pulling up to house number 4. Who is this? Nikita? Nikita, bro. She got 2.
Yeah, shout out to Nikita.
Bro, I'm nervous again, bro. Every time I walk into a door, guys, I feel like I gotta use the restroom. Scared. Alright, does Nikita live here? Yeah. Alright, she ordered packages from me. I do like YouTube videos, and I was gonna hand deliver them to her house.
Yeah, sure. I'll call her.
Okay.
But what's your name?
Nick.
Nick.
Nick, yeah.
What's your channel, man? You do look familiar.
FindingNick. I do like car stuff. You might recognize the car, maybe.
Could be. All
Probably
right.
car video.
Yeah. That's GTR.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
my
yeah.
cousin's got one.
Oh, really? That's
yeah,
sick.
I just bought these 2 last month.
Oh, those are
Same
nice.
thing.
Yeah.
Got that for my wife and for my son for
That's
Christmas.
awesome.
So, yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah, one second. Let me call her.
Okay.
Thought you were about to get smacked, huh? Who you? Who you, my boy?
Crazy, bro. It's still crazy to me. It gets weird to me. I feel like a normal person, bro. But people look at me like I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
But Hugo knows me, I'm a normal person. As long as it makes everyone happy.
For the holidays.
Like, I'm sure it's the craziest feeling. Like having your favorite YouTuber show up to your house.
What do you, right now, the dad probably told her, hey, Nick's outside.
She's probably freaking out.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Trying to get ready? Who's your favorite YouTuber?
You?
I'm not even a YouTuber. I don't even consider myself.
Why you start blushing for?
No way.
I got packages for you.
I thought I was lying.
She was like, what? Hi. You watch my videos?
Sleeping.
Oh my god.
That's why it took her a while.
That's
Like,
okay.
no, you're lying. I was like, dude, there's a purple GTR in the street.
Because I had work at 5:30 in the morning, so I was
Oh
like
my
taking
God.
a nap.
Oh, man.
No, you're fine. Oh my god.
I know, so I chose random people at random, like someone that's pretty local to my house, and you got picked, I guess. I had the
Cause
same
you know,
reaction.
okay, because I'm waiting for this, like all this merch. I'm like, he's taking forever.
I know, I'm so sorry. That's why I felt bad. That's why I wanted to do this too, because it took so long to get ready, but
I'm shaking.
it's okay.
I legit thought you were lying. There's no
You
way.
wanted two of them,
Oh,
why?
good, man. I'd be
Actually,
shaking too.
Oh, so one's for one of my friends.
Oh, okay. I
It
know, I
was
saw
supposed to be
you
his
ordered
Christmas
two.
gift.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, hopefully
It's
this
okay.
makes up for it.
Oh my god, the GTR's here too.
You like it? You can go look at it. And people are so excited. It's like, it's a cool feeling.
I legit didn't think I would be one of those people. A celebrity crush freaking surprised me. You're legit my celebrity crush. That's why I'm shaking. I'm like, I'm like,
Oh, nice meeting you.
Nice
Nice
meeting
meeting
you
you.
too.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
do you mind if I do a picture with you?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, bro. That was a cool reaction.
And she was super happy.
Yeah. Boy, Anthony, though.
My boy Anthony's missing out, bro. All right, we got one more to do.
And then we're done.
Hopefully he's on.
that cool?
Yeah, that was cool. Last one, guys. I'm kind of sad. This is having fun. What do you say?
This is fun for you. I've been sitting back here having got out. Ooh, got the Infinity. Emer.
I'm kind of sad. This shit was actually fun. We might have to do this for every merch shop.
Mm-hmm.
How's it going, bro?
Hey, you're Nick, bro.
It's you.
That's my brother. Let me go get him.
What's his name?
Evans.
Okay.
You already knew.
What's up? Did you order merch?
Yes, sir.
I said in my video I was gonna hand deliver stuff.
I know, I saw that.
And you got picked, bro.
What's up, bro?
What's up? Nice
What
to
are
meet
the
you.
chances?
I
Nice to
know.
meet you.
You watch my videos?
Oh.
Thank you, bro.
I saw you a while ago at the Costa Mesa meet for the GTRs.
Okay.
Yeah, I
That's
was the
sick.
one with the camera. I came up to you.
Okay, that's sick. So
Yeah.
we met before.
Yeah, I
That's
met you
crazy.
before, but
That's awesome, bro.
I never like interaction like
That's
this.
sick, bro. Nice
That's
meeting
crazy.
you. Thank you for watching
Alright,
my
thank
video.
you, bro.
Thank you for getting the merch
Yeah,
too,
huge
bro.
fan. I
Appreciate
love
that.
videos.
Thank you.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Hey, don't sell the E92. It's too good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna sell it.
Don't sell it.
I'm trying to get both.
Dude, I love the color though. I think it's
too.
great. But the
Right
black
now
looks
the color looks
the black
great.
looks so good too though.
Black looks good too. I can't
Yeah.
believe it, bro.
Let you guys get going.
Nice meeting you.
All right, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
meeting you,
so
bro.
much,
Have a good one, bro.
Enjoy the merch. Well, that's it, guys. The last one. I don't know if this is his car or his brother's car, but I like it.
Infinity's clean.
Guys, that was super freaking fun. That guy actually met me before at a GTR meet, he says. So that's crazy, bro. And it's just so funny seeing people's reactions. They get so like shocked. They're like, what the heck? Like they can't believe it. I definitely have to do that again for every merch drop, I think, because I think it's sick seeing people's reactions. Next merch drop, if you guys want me to hand deliver some merch, cop the merch. I told you guys I was gonna do it. I kept my word. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was fun to make. If you guys did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Hugo, subscribe to David's OnlyFans. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Nick. Nick. Oh my God, bro.
That shit's actually scary.
Bro, that shit was
That's too
going
much
left.
power,
Yes, that shit was going left. Nick.
That shit's spinning like all those straight.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.